We are in Peru.
Peru, Lima.
Peru. So we are on our way to go have our first meal. We got here last night and it was terrible.
Yeah.
So,
all because of us.
Yeah, no. Like we messed up everything. So we couldn't find our luggage when we first got there, but that was just because we were in the wrong spot to find our luggage. And then we were trying to figure out how to get an Uber to our Airbnb, and we just kept messing up, and it was just not a good situation. So it took us like 2 hours to get from the airport to our Airbnb. And then it was just like a whole lot of stuff. And then there was like this weird like smell that was going on. It was making me feel really sick. So we just went to sleep. But now we're here, we're doing it, and we are looking for food. Oh, hey. Hi. Say it again.
I just don't know. No, I'm the US.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to explain why?
Last time I came here, their cards like stopped working, like their card system, and we didn't have any Peruvian sodas.
Efectivo.
Efectivos. So we had to run all the way down to the other location they have to pay for it there. So
To pay for our soups.
yeah. So now they know, hey, let's just make sure you guys do have money this time, right? We do. We're prepared.
They're begging us not to come back, I'm sure.
Yeah, basically.
Nobody has said that, but I'm
We
pretty
can tell
sure
on their faces.
they don't listen.
I wouldn't want to either, I guess.
About to smash this food up. How do you feel? It was good.
Wow. Yeah, at least it's definitely good, yeah.
Try a spicy sauce.
Not as bad as I thought it
Not bad?
Ah, not bad.
This is the real experience.
What level was this? Two?
Three, because it's already prepared with lemon.
Then we can spice it up a little.
Yeah, this is only spicy is like this, is rocoto, but this sauce is not spicy. It's only for color.
What is that?
Chocolate? Chocolate.
Chocolate. There you go. You got it.
It's similar to a mace. The hair to boil when you're sick and you drink it. And you can use this for tamales. And we're gonna eat this part. We made this.
Vamos a hacer el brindis, chef.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. We're taking pictures. Do you want to explain where we are?
We are by the Bridges of Sai
You don't come near me.
in Barranco district of Lima. It's one of the most romantic places in all of Lima, according to Google. That's what they told us, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How'd you like our class yesterday?
Oh, it was so much fun. We had learn how to make ceviche and how to make this really cool dish with these really nice chefs and this tour guide, and it was just a lot of fun. We met some people from Austria and Holland,
Holland, yeah.
and they were also very nice. It was just a good time.
Also, there was an earthquake last night, which is kind of crazy. Because when you look around, like everything's really like calm and serene, but we're also not in the Amazon. Apparently the Amazon is where, I think you're covering up the mic, apparently the Amazon is where it really started getting crazy. And like a lot of people were like hurt and killed and stuff like that, which is really sad. But luckily, all that happened in Lima was our building started shaking, which I said was pretty scary because we were on the 21st floor. And you know what Joseph said? It's better than being on the first floor, isn't it? So he wasn't much help in my time of need, but
I didn't say it was better. I said it was basically the same.
But we made it. So now we're here and we're just walking around. Probably gonna get some food afterwards. I have cramps, so I'm not in the best mood.
You're gonna tell them about the hair experience?
Okay, so you guys know how I have, goddess locks right now, right? So I was trying to figure out new hairstyles to do because pretty much all I've done up until this point is just like a half up, half down sort of thing, because the person who did my hair didn't do a very good job. So I can't do that many hairstyles with it because you'd be able to see the braids under it and stuff like that. But I was trying to do like a ponytail or something, and somehow during that whole process, I pierced my skin with a piece of hair, and because I have like a little mole. I have a mole right here. It's actually still kind of red out.
Yeah.
So I have a mole, and I pierced the skin right underneath that mole. So then Joseph had to like do surgery on me pretty much. And we thought it was like wrapped around the mole and it hurt so much, but it turns out it was actually just under my skin, so he had to pull it out, and it was the worst. It was so bad. So that put me in an extra bad mood today. So I'm like trying really hard to appreciate all the beauty. Like there's cacti and this place next to it, and there's like really colorful buildings over here and stuff. But and somebody recording us, recording them.
Did that just happen?
Yeah.
Nice.
But
Classic.
that's okay. There's a stray dog over there. It's pretty cute.
It might not even be stray. It might just be someone's, because they don't really use leashes around here very much.
That's fair. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy the rest of our day. That's about it.
Alright, I gotta cover up the mic with your hand. Okay, not the mic, I meant the camera.
Oh, okay, music video. Okay. Okay, girl. Hey, get it. Oh, what? Where are we?
I have no idea.
Well, we found this place. We found this house, and it's like a mansion, but also a store. And they're selling like clothing, but like really cool furniture. Like, look at it. Like this coffee table is bomb. There's Jesus and the homies.
Jesus is bomb.
Jesus is his mom. That's me. We're trying to find food and we found this. So
Food for the brain.
yeah. Hola. So I got crab soup. This, what is this?
Langostino empanizado.
Langostino empanizado. He got the spicy pescado.
Good dinner.
Dinner.
You're supposed to not be in the way.
Okay, so you start off, and here's the door. The door is really cute. It's like cute. And then you have like all these, we can't get in that one. You have all of these like storage things that we didn't really use. But it's like wall to wall storage, which is really cool. And then you walk over here, and they have these cute little chairs. I stepped in them. They have these cute little chairs that I think I'm gonna get like the shorter version for my own apartment because I think they're really cute. I was looking at them in Wayfair, and they have them here, so I was like, okay, cool. And then this is the little mini kitchen, which is like super cute, and it has this thing that says eat well and travel often. So it's just very like travel focused in here, which I think is super cute. And then you just have like the seating area, and they did a really good job like decorating and stuff like that. So then you have like this cute little couch and like pillows and decorations and all of that, very travel centric. And then over here you have like another little seating area, which is just cute. And then what we realized yesterday, actually, because we're about to leave, we're about to go to Cusco, so we just thought we'd show you the place that we were staying at. But the doors open all the way.
Yeah, we knew that they opened, just not.
Yeah, we knew that it
All the
opened,
way.
but we didn't know it opened that far. And then you just see like all of Cusco. I mean, Lima. You see all of Lima. But yeah, it's just the city. There's not really much other than the city out here. We're like right next to the highway, which makes it super loud. But like we learned that the sky is always gray in Lima because of the air pollution. So
Nice.
as you'll see, nice. And that like you'll also notice that you really can't see like all the buildings in the distance, and that's because of the air pollution. So we just close these back up. And then you walk into the room, and our suitcase is still on the bed. Thanks, Joseph.
No problem. Oh. So strong.
Wow, thanks.
You been working out?
Yeah. So,
Why?
anyway, here's the bed. She has really cute night tables as well. Like, this apartment is just decorated in a really cute way. Like, I really like it. And then, I'm not a huge fan of the bedspread, but I guess that doesn't really matter. This is our place. So, there's that, and then she has like these cute little like things right here, like fake succulents inside of like little houses, which I think is really cute. And then she like goes to the other wall, and not this one, we don't really care about that one. And then she has like all of these places I think it's like little peel-off stickers, but she has like places written in English and in Spanish of all these stuff. Yeah, and then you walk in here, and here's like some more storage. Here's a towel that Joseph left in here. And lots of storage that we didn't really use because we didn't feel like unpacking for less than a week. And then here's the bathroom. It's really small, so yeah, we're not gonna like really show it. But yeah. That's our Airbnb. Stay tuned for 2 more Airbnbs before we leave.